Hey guys, it's Saturday night, curry night. We've decided to stay in, but that doesn't mean we can't have our favourite butter chicken. Now most people don't know this, but butter chicken is actually probably one of the easiest and quickest curries to make at home. So make sure to watch this video till the end, as you're going to like this one. Start off with some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I've removed the fat and I'm chopping into approximately 1-inch cubes. Place your cubes in a mixing bowl and marinate with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, as well as 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. Then give everything a good mix and ensure your chicken is well coated in your marinade. Let your chicken sit in the marinade for about 10 minutes. Then add 1 large cube of butter to your hot pan and cook your chicken for approximately 10 minutes. Keep stirring to ensure your chicken is cooked but not charred on the outside. Now dice 1 red onion and add to the same pan and sweat for about 5 minutes. Don't worry about that fond that's stuck on the bottom of the pan. That's all flavour, and once we add our tomatoes, that will deglaze and impart flavour into the curry. Add a little butter, and once your onions are translucent, go ahead and add in your passata. Now I'm using passata as this is quicker for a home curry, but you can use canned or fresh tomatoes if you prefer. Stir in your passata to combine with your onions and butter before adding a large handful of unsalted cashew nuts. Then add a cup of water, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, and finally 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. Now give everything a good stir. At this point, the fond at the bottom of the pan will start to deglaze. Keep stirring your gravy and keep it at a gentle simmer for about 15 minutes. Then take it off the heat and ladle the gravy into a mixing bowl. Then go ahead and blend the gravy. Now I'm using my hand blender, but you can also pour into a normal blender or a NutriBullet if you prefer. Blend really well till the gravy is smooth and velvety. Then pour your gravy back into the pan and place back on the heat. Then add your cooked chicken to the gravy along with a final hit of butter, some dried fenugreek, and pour in some single cream. Keep stirring and allow to cook for a final 5 minutes before serving. Add a final garnish of fenugreek and spoon on a drizzle of cream. This is my perfect Saturday night restaurant style quick butter chicken at home. So rich and delicious. This is comfort food at its finest. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and leave your comments below. Easy restaurant style butter chicken made at home. Absolutely effing delicious.